Hello, let's make a start on this simple origami butterfly.
We'll need a square of paper and a pair of scissors for this one. It doesn't matter what size the square is. So turning it over, we're going to make a fold along a diagonal. Next we'll turn it round and bring that bottom point up on top of the top one and fold it in half again. Now we're going to make a cut up along that central crease, about a third to a half of the way up. You can vary it. And we'll fold it back on itself, and we're going to make a crease from the top of the cut to the top line at an angle, making a sort of triangular or wedge shape. Again, you can vary this and make a good firm crease. Now we'll fold it back on itself with that little section in the middle and crease it well again. And there we are. You can have fun experimenting with these. I think the minimal design really captures something of the lightness of a butterfly. If this was helpful, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.